This is Premcar in Melbourne, where the Nissan Navara N-Trek Warrior is built. And today I'm joining the assembly crew. Yes, old 10 thumbs Newton. Be scared, be very scared. First off, just what is the Warrior? Well, it's a Nissan Navara that's been given some localisation and toughening up. Important upgrades include a beefed up suspension package, 17-inch roster alloys and 32-inch Cooper all-terrain tyres. Externally, the highlights include this ERG-sourced hoopless and colour-matched steel Bullbar. What doesn't change in all this is the fundamental 4x4 drivetrain, including the 2.3 litre turbo diesel engine. So what's my job today? Premcar production boss Bill Burney explains.
So Bruce, today you're going to experience what we do every day here at Premcar. You're going to work on the line, fit some components, work your way down, and at the end of the day, you will have built an N-Trek Warrior.
Cool. First off, it's helped fit up the front suspension struts and springs. I'll smack my head on the guard in a sec. Done. There you go, I couldn't get it all done. We did it. Well, you did it. Have your ring spanner back. I'll stick to the word processor. Then it's on to installing the Bullbar. I've done it? Oh, there you go. Oh, Bill, I had these left over. There you go.
Bruce, what have you done?
It takes 23 people 13 hours to turn a standard Navara N-Trek into a Warrior. Currently around 10 to 15 are being built per day. Premcar set up this brand new 6,300 metre square facility in Epping specifically to do the job. In fact, Premcar also developed the Warrior to Nissan specifications, and it did a heap of real-world testing to ensure it all worked out. Premcar can do that because there's some pretty smart and experienced people here who have a huge amount of automotive knowledge. So that means it can do the lot, right up to final assembly. Speaking of build, there's only one way to check if I did my job properly, and that's go for a test drive. Good luck, Bill.
Thanks, Bruce.